Today we're working on the 96 Chevy Cavalier, and I'm going to change the fuel filter, and that thing is located in the back of the car, and it's up underneath the trunk area on the right hand side on the passenger side. So here's your back rear wheel. You take your back rear wheel and you got our jack over there. We just got to find the right tools for this thing, which I googled it, but they're not. I actually have the wrong sizes, so you need a wrench for those on the left. Calls for a 5/8 and a 5/32, and the fuel line wrench, which I'm having trouble finding one of those, so we're gonna go see what we got. So it was 5/8 on the little one, and what was the wrench on the big one? Was the ended up being a 13/16 on this one.
The 13/16.
So yeah. So it's loose. I just spin it off of there. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need a smaller. It's gonna be gassy. Do you have anything to catch the gas in? Over there?
Oh, you need a pan?
Yeah, pan. Okay. Oh shit. There's the gas. Okay, it's hooked on this. Slides into this holder right here. It just comes out of this holder. It's just a holder clamp. It slides up on that bracket. Now we got to figure out how to get this one off. Should just be a pin. So you just squeeze these together right here, and this will slide out. Squeeze them together, and the hose will pull off. So put the new one down there. Put the new one on just like that. Pop it back in there. Just hold it right there so that you can see what I'm doing. Put the new one in. Is it locked in?
That's good enough.
Put it back in the bracket. This doesn't move too much, so slide this bracket in. Probably easier to do it without the bracket than put the bracket down on it. Make sure it doesn't cross thread. Get my, what is it, 13/16. Camera seeing what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm. But your one hand's in the way. But it's okay.
That one?
Yeah. But once you move, it's good view.
Maybe come back here. Like that.
Yeah, you can see it right now.
The wrench is exactly the right size, but it's working. Barely fits on there. It's a 5/8.